Intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Hello Amazons, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, you're probably here for the giveaway, but that's okay. So clearly this video is going to be my monthly giveaway for my lovely subscribers and friends and family, you guys. So if you are interested in seeing what the prizes are and how you can enter to win some free makeup, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let YouTube's algorithm know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, because you will need to be subscribed to enter the giveaway. And I do check. Okay, so I'm just going to throw a few of the major rules out there. You have to be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission. This is a US only giveaway. I can't afford international shipping. I apologize. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must follow me on Instagram, and my IG handle is @NatRoseMusicToMakeup, and tag one of your friends. And if you would like a bonus entry, you can favorite my Etsy shop, which is Music to Makeup, where I have all my brush cleaners and soaps available if you're interested. And yeah, you need to comment down below. Ooh, I know. What's your favorite candy? One of my favorites, I can't say favorite, but one of my favorites are definitely Swedish Fish. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. I couldn't even fit it all in one picture. But so yeah, let's jump right on into it. The first thing is this Frank Body Glowing Coconut Coffee Scrub, 7.05 ounces. Then we have this Skin Medica Instant Bright Eye Mask. And next is this Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. We have this The Nuco Topical C. I'm assuming this is some sort of topical C serum. Fresh vitamin C, firms fine lines and smooths, brightens, and antioxidant. Then we have this Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampules. So Helios is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra-reparative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth preserving red algae extract. So this is a serum as well, I am assuming. Then we have this La Roche-Posay Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. And we also have this Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream. And for all of these skincare products, this is the Cosmetics skincare brushes. One is to apply cleanser, which this is the cleaning brush, and then the dual-sided silicone mask can be used for different types of masks. So then we have this Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. It's really nice it has retinol, not all eye creams do. And then we have this Acure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. Some more eye pads. This is the William Schumann Hydrating Collagen eye pads. All right, next we have this Ofra highlighter in Covent Garden. Okay. We have this Dermilect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. All right, next is this Tracique Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. So it's a mascara, but it also has a little mini eyelash curler at the end, which is super cool. All right, next is this Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color in Pink Pucker. And then we have this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling treatment. I love this product. And this is the Half-Caked Game Changer 3 Lip Fondants. So you get 3 liquid lipsticks. You get like a pinkish nude, a mauve, and a red, which is really nice. I'll stay in the products of lips, or stay in the theme of lips. This is the Sigma Liquid Lipstick in Venom. Here's what it looks like. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupico Lip Butter in Soulmate. Here's what it looks like. Then we have this Smith & Colt nail polish in Bite Your Kiss. Okay, we have this Orza Astral Amethyst Shimmer Palette. And this Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders. So this comes with a translucent powder, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. Then we have this When the Last Choice Biocellulose Sheet Mask. We have this Complex Culture Full-Time Eyeshadow Palette. And so it has a little thing with step 1, step 2, step 3. It's a really nice palette. And I had to save the best for one of the last for those who are staying and watching. And this is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, which I've been loving. I've been using it so much. And then, of course, as usual, I wouldn't be a giveaway without mine, without including my brush cleaner and soap. So you're going to get a little Hello Kitty one. And then this is Pink Peony. Alright guys, so all of the rest of the rules will be listed down in the description bar below, as long with the day I will be announcing the winners. So I'm going to let this go on a month like I have been doing. And yeah, this is my way of thanking you guys for supporting me on my YouTube journey here and letting you know how much I appreciate and love you. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video.